How to make complex restaurant management become simpler and more efficient. LuckyPOS integrates front desk service, customer self-service, kitchen management, store promotion, back office management, and mobile device applications, which aim to help the smart upgrade of restaurants. Digital signage shows attractive food pictures and advertising videos to enhance customers' interest. It upgrades content flexibly, which can effectively display restaurants' latest dishes and promotional activities. Smart Terminal System supports ordering and process payment and print receipts quickly, which can help you save time and make customers enjoy the ordering experience. Our solution supports both tablet ordering and mobile ordering ways. In order to save the waiting time, waiters can recommend specials dishes to customers. Moreover, we can ensure the accuracy of order information and good management of inventory. Kitchen Display System, (KDS), connects the front hall to the back kitchen to make the cooking progress transparent and improve the dining efficiency. Store Management System can find management, integrate and optimize resources so as to reduce the burden on management personnel. Our solution supports multi-language and multi-currency. It can adapt to the local network environment and payment habits. At the same time, the system supports customization, which can meet the needs for different kinds of restaurants. LuckyPOS, produced by Nantong Flying Sea Electronic Technology Co., Ltd.,